Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this game that I like to call Jumping Dinosaur. So it looks like this. See, if it's touching the egg, then the game will stop. Yeah, it's pretty fun to play with and also pretty easy to make. So if you guys want to know how to make, the thing we wanted to do is actually choose a sprite, or you can also paint it, or you can upload it. And I'm gonna choose a sprite. I'm gonna go to animals and I'm choosing the dinosaur. Where is it? I forgot. Okay, so here's the dinosaur. I choose the dinosaur number 4. You guys can choose any of the animals, or even you can choose peoples over here. Yeah, just basically whatever you wanted. So I'm gonna choose animal and I'm gonna choose this dinosaur number 4. So you guys can see here. And I'm also gonna choose a backdrop over here. I'm choosing this wetland. You can also choose any of the backdrop you want. I want this one. Okay, now I want to make the dinosaur jump. So what we need to do is first, actually I'm gonna make the dinosaur a little bit smaller. I'm gonna set it into 80 or probably 70. I think 70 is too small. Did you guys think so? Yeah, I'm gonna set it to 80. I'm gonna put it over here. And the first thing we need to do is make sure when we click go, the dinosaur will be in this position. As you guys can see, the X is minus 160 and the Y is minus 104. So as you guys can see, it automatically appears over here. So if you guys move the dinosaur, it'll automatically change into the same position. So I'll put it here. Okay, so you're just gonna grab this, go to X and Y. So when clicked go to X minus 191 and Y minus 102. So every time I click go, it'll always appears over there. And the next thing is we want to make it jump, of course. So what we need is, first we need this block that says change Y by 10. So as you guys can see, yep, it's changing. See, it'll go higher and higher, but we want it to repeat it 10 times. See, so it'll go this high. And we also want it to fall back down, because you guys can see it's not falling back. So it's actually pretty simple. I'm just gonna duplicate this and change the change Y by 10 into change Y by minus 10. Sorry. Yeah, that's perfect. It's jumping perfectly fine. The only thing is, it only jump when we click this block. So what we need to do is make it jump when we click space. So we're just gonna take this block, when space key pressed, then jump and drag it over here. So let's try. Okay, that's good. Code for the dinosaur is basically done. And now we're gonna choose another sprite for the obstacles, and I'm gonna choose this egg since it looks perfect, and I'm gonna make it smaller. 70, I guess. Okay, that's good. And now we want to make the eggs glide from over here to here. So what we need to do is pretty simple. We're gonna grab these blocks again. We wanna place the egg to where we want it to appear when it clicks go. So I want it to appear over here when I click go. That's good. And wait, I think I want it a little bit higher. Okay, that's good. And now we're just gonna take this, go to X and Y block. Okay, so after you take this block, you want to slide the eggs over here. And then you're gonna take this block. Okay, but actually I'm gonna change the Y into 100 and oops. Because as you guys can see, if it's like this, it's like going up because the Y is not the same as the first position. So we're gonna change it into the same Y, which is minus 155. So let's see. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, so you guys can see it's working perfectly fine. And now you want to grab this block. So okay, so let's see how it's working. Okay, actually it stops over here. So what we need to do is grab the forever block, put this inside the forever, and see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so it's working perfect. See, it's perfect. It's working perfectly fine. And the second thing we need to do is to make, when the dinosaur is touching the egg, we want it to stop. So to make it stop, actually you just want to grab this block that says stop all, but make it wait until touching dinosaur. And then go to event and again grab this block, put it on top, and boom. It stops when the egg is touching the dinosaur. So what we need to do is to avoid the dinosaur from touching the egg. But I think it's too hard. I mean, you can still play it, but it's hard because the dinosaur is not jumping that high. So I think I'm gonna make the dinosaur jump higher, so then it'll be easier. 12 and change by, sorry, also minus 12 also. So let's try. So you guys can see it's easier to play. Now the game is done and you can finally play it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.